Hello, my name's Sean Thomas. I'm with Spyker Spreaders. So when you're done using your Spyker Spreaders and you know you're not going to use it for 2 or 3 days, you need to wash your Spyker Spreader or clean your Spyker Spreaders. To do that, you'll use water, soap and water, power wash, or whatever, just to get the material off. So to clean your Spyker Spreader, all you want to do is wash it off real good. Make sure you get all the fertilizer, grass seed, rock salt, whatever you've been spreading all day long, all the different materials you've been spreading throughout the day. Get all that off so it don't rust on you and cause more problems down the line for you and less maintenance later. Then you want to dry your unit off after you get done washing it. You want to use either compressed air, blow it off with the leaf blower, or a rag. The main key thing is to dry your unit. Is the key thing. Wipe the frame off, blow out any crevices, cracks, blow dry it, just like you would your car. You want to dry it off before you store it up. When you do that, then also wipe the frame with WD-40, 3-in-1 oil, some kind of oil or penetrant just to keep surface rust off. It also helps lubricate. So with the Spyker Spreaders, if you don't clean your Spyker Spreader and you use it for rock salt fertilizers and stuff, it will rust. All spreaders will rust if you don't take care of maintenance your spreaders. The main thing is to clean them and dry them is the main thing. You can wash them off, but you have to dry them afterwards. If not, you're introducing salt and fertilizers in the cracks that'll turn into rust. The rust turns into gone and a new spreader. And that's how you clean your Spyker Spreader. And thank you for watching. Happy spreading.